It's not your traditional love story na girl meets boy, gano'n. Hindi eh. Parang boy is searching, girl is searching, tas nagkita sila online. Parang gano'n. Parang ako, at that time, ayoko na, parang sumuko na ako sa mga relationship kasi parang walang naglalast, walang nagkiklik talaga ng maayos. Kung kailan ako sumuko, dun siya dumating. Dumating siya, tas di na siya umalis sa tabi ko.
Thought I was alone and a bed.
Nung nakita ko siya, parang sinabi ko sa sarili ko, try namin. Then, ayun, nag-click naman.
Lost in the dark, how did it happen?
Looking back, na-realize ko na mula nung nakilala kita, may nagbago sa akin. Before I met you, independent ako, boyish, bossy, matigas at matapang. I think everyone here that knows me can agree na hindi ako yung girly type talaga. Pero nung nakilala kita, unti-unting nagbago yun. Bigla akong naging soft. Ganon yung effect mo sa akin. Parang nakapulot ka ng bato at ginawa mong bulaklak. Thank you at napalambot mo ako. Thank you for taking care of me, for showing me that love can be simple and easy and kind. Thank you for making me feel loved every day.
I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you. Take my hand, I'll carry you through.
Ano ba ang love para sa akin? Hindi lang yan kilig sa umpisa, hindi lang yan good morning text or sweet na tawagan. For me, love is choosing each other. And it's my choice to grow old and better with you. Paninindigan kita, Corissa Marie, at mamahalin kita ng buong buo kahit sa pagtanda.
I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you.
Nanibago ako kasi di ako sanay na ako yung binibaby or ako yung inaalagaan, inaasikaso. Ganito pala yung feeling pag minamahal ka ng tama. I have always been strong on my own, pero meeting you has helped me realize that I don't need to be strong all the time. Kasi nandyan ka na para sanahin ako.
And I hear you say, I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you.
My dearest Mark, being loved by you has been the best plot twist of my life. For the longest time, I have prayed to God, and for the first time, He has answered. I'm finally standing in front of the person I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you. Take my hand, I'll carry you through. I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you. I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you, I'll walk with you. I'll walk with you, I'll walk.
Your love allowed me to enter my soft girl era, and I think yan naman ang pangarap ng lahat. To find someone who allows them to feel like a Disney princess. Thank you for being the man of my dreams. I'm so lucky to have someone who is sweet, patient, kind, and thoughtful, and funny. You have been my main source of happiness, and soon there will be two of you. I can't believe how lucky I am, but more importantly, how lucky our baby will be, because I chose the best daddy for him or her. Kala nyo
Pero pustahan to, pero may bayan. Magbayad ka. Para din lang.
Guys. Lalaki, babae.
Ako alam ko eh.
Ikaw, bro.
Babae.
Babae yan. Malakas yung panatan.
Babaero siya.
Si Mike naman. Lalaki, babae.
Lalaki.
Lalaki daw yung
Hindi, mahalaga kasi sa girls.
Hindi. Iba yung sinabi mo.
Nakat.
500. Iba yung sinabi mo.
Na-flip na. Sige, oo nga.
Pusta ko babae. Ngayon, pusta niya lalaki.
It's a good boy. Ito, ikaw.
Before I met you, I had so many questions I've thrown to the skies, and all of the answers I've found in your eyes. Yes, totoo yon. Kasi sa bawat tingin mo, pakiramdam ko, I'm home.
Puro joke yung vow ko. Wala ka lang atras dito nakabayad na tayo.
We will get away, Carlo.
Watch me light up the room, just like a diamond. We'll hit the moon, then take it higher. Clap your hands with me, come on and dance with me. We'll celebrate, we can pop confetti like it's champagne. We'll throw it up and make it rain.
Wedding para sa akin, yung like we're going to tie each other na parang inaano namin yung sinisettle na namin yung sarili namin sa isa't isa.
I like it lavish, lifestyle, high fashion, lights, camera, action. Get the crew and jump into it, make some room. I feel like moving.
From the moment I fell in love with you, I made the promise. Today, I say it out loud in front of everyone you love. I'm here, I'm not going anywhere. Mula umaga hanggang gabi, mula kilig hanggang kulitan, mula ngayon hanggang dulo. I'm coming home to you, to Tokwa, to our future children. Kahit sa susunod na habang buhay pa yan, ikaw, Carissa Marie, at ang magiging pamilya natin, ang mamahalin ko sa araw.
Like it's champagne. Yeah, I'ma hit 'em with the bass drop. Break it down like a boombox. Got me feeling like ooh ah. Wait a minute, you know the deal when you see us show up. Them speakers gonna blow up. Break it down like so what? Everybody.
Now that you are saying yes with each other, God is also saying yes. If you are taking a risk, He's also risking with you.